Historical context and influence. The Iroquois Confederacy was made up of the Mohawk, Oneida, Onondaga, Seneca, and later the Tuscarora Nations. They created a complex government system based on peace, fairness, and group decision-making. The Great Law of Peace set up a federal structure where each nation kept its independence but worked together in a central council to make decisions for the whole Confederacy. This way of governing had a big impact on American colonists and founding fathers like Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson. They took ideas from the Iroquois system when making the U.S. Constitution. Democratic principles. The Great Law of Peace has many democratic ideas that are key to the American belief in independence. These include consensus decision-making. Decisions in the Iroquois Confederacy were made by consensus, focusing on unity and agreement over majority rule. Checks and balances. The Iroquois government had checks and balances, with different roles given to various leaders and councils to stop the concentration of power. Rights and responsibilities. The Great Law of Peace explained the rights and duties of individuals and leaders, promoting accountability and the protection of personal freedoms. Cultural significance. Studying the Constitution of the Iroquois Nations helps us understand the rich cultural heritage of the Iroquois people. It shows their contributions to the wider story of independence and governance in North America. This highlights the variety of political ideas and the influence of indigenous knowledge and practices on American democratic values. Comparative analysis. Including this text allows for comparing it with other key documents like the Mayflower Compact, the Declaration of Independence, and the U.S. Constitution. Students can look at the similarities and differences in government structures, the role of individual rights, and the ways to achieve consensus and keep peace. Engaging students. For students, the Great Law of Peace is an interesting and relatable example of how different cultures and political systems have shaped democratic principles. It encourages them to think critically about the origins of independence and how different societies have approached governance and justice. Conclusion. Adding the Constitution of the Iroquois Nations to the Roots of Independence section makes the unit richer by giving a broader and more inclusive view of the foundation of democracy and self-governance. It shows that the American spirit of independence comes not just from European thinkers, but also from indigenous governance systems that valued peace, unity, and the common good. By studying this text, students gain a deeper understanding of the diverse roots of American independence and the lasting impact of these early democratic ideas on the nation's development.